Alright, this is going to be a video of my Harbor Breeze Lansing ceiling fan with different blades and different lights. So I gave this fan a makeover. Really I just, here, let me flip the light switch. I put blades from my brush nickel Harbor Breeze Lansing on this fan, and these globes. I got these globes out of my, out of a bathroom. I cleaned them all off, so don't worry about that. I was swapping the globes out in the bathroom because these ones kind of looked ugly on a brush nickel fixture, so I put them on this fan, and it looks pretty nice, I'd say. Looks a lot darker, I'd say. Here's low speed. I'm gonna leave the light on because it's even though it's not that dark, it's kind of dark. Yeah. Still performs well. I can still feel airflow on low speed. Yeah. Zoom up. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice with the brush nickel Lansing blades and these globes. I think it just looks really nice. Yeah, these pull chains also came from my brush nickel Lansing, so yeah. Here it is on medium speed. A very fast fan. This is like the medium speed on this fan is basically like the high speed on every other fan in my house. So yeah, it does have this slight wobble to it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah. Turning off this lamp, it's kind of a dark, so just gonna leave the light on. And here is high speed. And this right here goes, it's starting to wobble. This fan is this fan has probably been out of balance since it was first installed in the living room. It never really had a stable balance. So I don't know if I'm gonna use a balancing kit or what, but it's just gonna stay like this for now. So yeah. It is also pretty silent, so that's a nice thing. And here is off. Yeah, it looks pretty nice with these blades, I would say. Let's stop it real quick. Yeah, it looks really nice with these blades, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.